हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल एमबीए पाठशाला। तो एमबीए पाठशाला ने आप लोगों की स्पीड बूस्ट करने के लिए, आपकी टेस्ट टेकिंग एबिलिटी को इंप्रूव करने के लिए एक फ्री डेली क्विज का इनिशिएटिव लिया है, जिसको आप लोग हमारे पोर्टल पर www.mbapathshala.com पर जाकर हमारा जो फ्री कोर्सेज का सेक्शन है, कैट 2026 फ्री प्रिपरेशन एक कोर्स है, उसमें एनरोल करके आप डेली बेसिस पर एक फ्री क्विज लगा सकते हो। ये क्विजेज आप लोगों के एग्जाम यानी कि कैट 2026 तक हम लोग प्रोवाइड कराने वाले हैं। हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पर इसका एनालिसिस मिलेगा, क्विज रहेगी हमारे पोर्टल पर।
Hello students, welcome to the daily dose. In this we are solving LRDI. This is a calculation based DI set. Direction for questions 1 to 5. Answer the questions on the basis of information given below. Following table displays annual domestic tonnage handled by 5 major regional logistic hubs in India from the fiscal year 2020-21 to 2025-26. All figures are listed in 1000 metric tons, which is 1000 tons. So Vanguard handles 5400, 6210, 6520, 7498, almost 7500. Now we will have questions about percentage change, percentage increase, percentage decrease, average out, and so on and so forth. Let us try. According to given data, which logistic hub recorded highest percentage increase in cargo tonnage handled between any two consecutive fiscal year? There are 5 companies and there are 4 options. So one option is not there. Vanguard is there, Meridian is there, Aerolink is there, Horizon is there, Nexus is not there. So I don't have to bother about this. I don't need to worry about this. Now we are looking for percentage change here, 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 and here. So for one company, we are looking for 5% changes. There are 4 companies. We're looking for 20% changes. Whichever is the highest is our answer. We're looking for maximum percentage increase. 20 changes we need to calculate. If we think logically, we may be able to save some time. Let me show you how do we save some time. I'm focusing on Vanguard. Vanguard is one of the options. The sequence they are given, I'm okay with it. This is the first option. First given company, option D, I'm checking this. I'll only focus on important digits. 54 becomes 62. So I have 8 extra on 54. 62 becomes 65. So there is 3 extra on 62. You tell me which is more. Is left side more or is right side more? Do you see numerator has gone down, denominator has gone up? It's a very small number. Cancel. This is larger. I'm looking for maximum. Now this is 65 and this is 74. 65 and 74. I notice an increase of 9 on 62. Now between this and this, which is larger? This is very close to 1 by 7 and this is less than 1 by 7. What that means is low denominator. What that means is less denominator. This is larger. This is gone. Think over this. You have 1 upon 7 and you have 1 upon 6. Which is larger? This is larger. See, this is 9 upon 63. 9 upon 63 is 1 by 7. This is 8 upon 56 se bhi kam. Less than that. This is less than 1 by 7. So this is larger. Here there's a decline. There's no need to calculate. Here there's an increase. Now here I have 10 upon 72. Now this is almost what? This is almost 1 upon 7.2. And this is what? Less than 7. This is still the larger one. So Vanguard, the highest value is 8 upon 54. You can use a calculator and check or leave it there. Leave it there as it is. Let me go to Meridian. What is this? This is 14. This is 14 extra on 32. This is Vanguard. This is Meridian. Do you see numerator has gone up? Numerator is more. Denominator is less. Which will be larger, left or right? Right side is larger. This is cancelled. Vanguard cannot have highest value. Now here there's an increase of 2 on 46. Very small. Increase of 3 on 48. 3 on 48. Very small. 3 on 48. Very small. increase of 10 on 51. Look at this, increase of 10 on 51. This is what? This is 14 upon 32. This is 10 on 51, which is larger. This is larger. Then this is further less. Now we need to check Aerolink. There is increase of 4 on 45. 4 on 45, very small number, 1 by 10 के आसपास. Increase of 10 upon this is what? This is 50. This is 10 upon 50. 10 upon 50 is 1 by 5. ये कितना है? This is 1 by 3 के आसपास. 1 by 2 के आसपास. These are small numbers. ये तो decrease है. Then there's the increase of 10 by 56. देखो ना, ये न्यूमरेटर कम हो गया, डिनोमिनेटर ज्यादा हो गया. Forget this. यहाँ पे 9 upon 66. As compared to 14, 9 छोटा नंबर है. 32 से बहुत बड़ा है 66. This is smaller. Horizon 3 on 24, 3 on 21, 8 on 24. देखो ये 1 by 3 के आसपास है. ये कितना है? ये 1 by 2.5 के आसपास है. Twice is 28. 28 में 4 और जुड़ेगा तो 2.2, 2.3 के आसपास है. This is 1 by 3. ये कितना है? 10 by 32, which is almost 1 by 3.3. ये कितना है? 10 by 42, which is 1 by 4.2. ये what is this? This is 1 by 2.2. And here there is 19 का increase on 52. अब we need to compare this and this. Look at this. 19 by 52 and 14 by 32. कैसे compare करेंगे? Cancel करो थोड़ा सा. 2 into 7, 2 into 16. Can you cancel this? 4 into 4, 4 into 13. अब देखो, इनका क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन इज 76, इनका इज 91. ये ज्यादा है, राइट साइड ज्यादा है, तो मेरिडियन इज द हाईएस्ट वन. दिस होल क्वेश्चन वाज फ्रेम्ड टू टीच यू comparison of ratios. You don't actually need to calculate the exact percentage. You can achieve the answer by simply comparing ratios. What I just did, I'll add one more slide and explain that to you. See, when you are stuck with A upon B compared with C upon D, you multiply D and A. You multiply B and C. देखो, C is on the right side, leave it there. A is on the left side, leave it there. Now, whatever symbol comes here, if this is more, so it will be more here. If the right side is less, it will be less here also. So whenever comparing A upon B and C upon D, don't change the position of C and A, cross multiply. What we had was, we had 13 by, um, we had here 7 by 34, no? Something like this. We had something like this, 14, and we had something like this, 6 here, something like this. This was 84 and this was 91. Right side is more. That's it. This is the right way to compare ratios. Meridian is the answer. We did not need to use calculator in this particular question. In the fiscal year 2026-27, the cargo handled by Horizon increases by 20% over the previous year. By what percentage must cargo handled by Meridian increase from 25, 26, 26, 27 so that volume handled by both are equal? You are saying Horizon in 26-27 is same as Meridian in 26-27. This is what it says. The volume is same, 2026 and 2027 volume is same for Horizon Meridian. Horizon, I know. Horizon, the last year value was 7151. Next year, it will increase by 20%. How do we increase 20%? 1.2 into 7151. This is the value for Meridian in the next year as well. This is value for Meridian and Horizon both 2026, 27. The question is, what is the growth in Meridian from 25, 26? What is the value for Meridian? It is 6426. I need to find what is the growth from point A to B. I'm perfectly fine using a calculator. That is why such a question has been framed. Without that also, I can solve it for you. But do you need to learn calculator application as well. All I have done is multiply 1.2 into 7151. So this value becomes 8581.2. This is the new value. This is the old value. So how do you find growth rate? Growth rate is new value minus old value upon old value into 100. So you have this on the screen. 8581 minus 6426. 8581 minus 6426 divided by 6426 into 100. So that turns out to be 33.58. So out of these, I'm more than happy with this answer, 33.5%. The exact value should be 33.6%, but approximate 33.5 we are okay with. Only one trick: multiply 0.2 to get 20%. You want 20% increase, multiply 1.2. That's all. A logistic hub is designated high velocity node in any physical year if its cargo volume shows a year on year increase of more than 12.5% compared to previous year. How many instances of high velocity nodes are there across all 5 hubs combined from 2021-22 to 2025-26? All right. All right. Again, a lot of steps go into my mind. I'm supposed to calculate, is this increase more than 12.5 or not, 12.5 or not, 12.5 or not, and so on, so on. I'm supposed to calculate such 25, 28 values. Every time there's an increase of 12.5 or more, that is called a high velocity node. How many such cases of high velocity nodes are there? I need to calculate. One thing good that I know is 12.5% is 1 by 8. So I'm not very technical. I am not calculating every percentage because a percentage calculation requires 3 steps. X minus y upon y, ratio into 100. It requires 3 steps. I'm thinking something different to save time. How can I save time in my calculations? What I will do is I will use a calculator and divide the number by 8. How? Listen to this. I'll divide 5400 by 8. See, if the gap was 675, it is 12.5%. What is the actual gap? The actual gap is 800. Is the gap more than 1 by 8? Yes. This increases more than 1 by 8. This increases more than 12.5%. Apply this logic. What is by 8? 6210 divided by 8. This is 776. Is there a gap of 776? No, there's a gap of 300 only. This should not be counted. What is 6520 divided by 8? It is 815. The lower value is exactly 12.5% increase. What is the actual growth? The actual growth is roughly 900. Is it more than 815? Yes. Second increase. Here there's a gap of roughly, there's a decline, in fact, there's a decrease. Can't be counted. Now, what is 1 by 8 of this? 900. What is the increase? The increase is 1000. So yes. So how many ticks? 1, 2, and 3. Vanguard has 3 cases of high velocity node. Now, I need to do the same thing for all others. Now, I might be able to perform some calculations mentally, but it is okay to be sure about this. By 8 is 400. What is the growth? Growth is 1400. Yes. What is the growth here? 200 ka growth. When I divide 4600, definitely 550, 540 se upar aayega. Can't be considered. When I divide this by 8, this is 600 precisely. What is the growth? 300 something. Nahi count karna hai. Divide by. Let me do this approximately. Um, 51 divided by 8, 8 into 6, 48, 38, 4 times 6, 8. 648. What is the growth? 1000. Should I count this? Yes, you should count this. इसका डिवाइड बाय 60 अपॉन इट कितना होता है? 60 अपॉन इट इज 7.5, 750 के आसपास आएगा, नीचे 750. डू यू हैव 750 का ग्रोथ? नो, हमारे पास 300 का ग्रोथ है. हाउ मेनी टिक्स आर देयर? मरीडियन 2 टिक्स. तो 2 टाइम्स मरीडियन बिकेम हाई वेलोसिटी नोड. ये करना है अपने को. यू कैन यूज कैलकुलेटर, गेट प्रिसाइज वैल्यूज, यू कैन अप्रोक्सीमेट, टोटली अप टू यू. इसका डिवाइड बाय 8 करना है. 8 इंटू 6 ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, इसका 500 के आसपास आएगा. लेट मी डू द एग्जैक्ट कैलकुलेशन. यूज अ कैलकुलेटर, व्हाट्स रॉन्ग? 4500 divided by 8, 560, 562. What is the growth? 450. Don't count this. 4950 divided by 8, 618. What is the actual growth? Actual growth 1000 का है. This is a high velocity growth node. यहाँ तो decrease है. Why should I count this? What is the increase? Roughly, what is the actual increase? Actual increase roughly 1000. 1000. What is the divide by 8 value? 700 के आसपास आएगा डिवाइड बाय 8 वैल्यू. दिस शुड बी काउंटेड. व्हाट इज द इंक्रीज? इंक्रीज इज 900, 66, 75, 900, 990 का इंक्रीज है प्रिसाइजली. इसको डिवाइड बाय 8 करेंगे तो 800 इंटू 8, 6400, 200 बच गया बाय 8. ये कुछ 50, 50 के आसपास, 40 के आसपास. द न्यूमरेटर इज इंक्रीजिंग 900, नीचे 850, तो ये भी काउंट होगा. हाउ मेनी टिक्स? 1, 2 एंड 3. आई हैव 3 टिक्स फॉर एरियो लिंक. ऐसा you can speed up your calculation, you want to avoid calculator, perfectly fine. बट वैसा डेवलप करना है फिर आपको स्पीड. व्हाट इज द ग्रोथ हियर? ग्रोथ इज 300 समथिंग. 2100 बाई 8 किया अपन ने. 2100 बाई 8, 262. ये हाई ग्रोथ है. इसको डिवाइड बाई 8 किया तो ये आ जाएगा 300 एंड 302 के आसपास. ऊपर कितना ग्रोथ है? 800. काउंट होगा ना, 2 टिक हो गए. 3260 को डिवाइड बाई 8 किया तो 408 के आसपास आएगा. व्हाट इज द इंक्रीज? 1000 का इंक्रीज है. यस. इसको डिवाइड बाई 8 किया, 42 बाई 8, 500 के आसपास, 550 के आसपास, 530 के आसपास. और ऊपर कितना इंक्रीज है? 1000. ये भी काउंट होगा. और यहाँ तो 1900 का ग्रोथ है, ये तो काउंट होना ही होना है. तो हॉराइजन 5 टाइम इट वाज हाई वेलोसिटी नोड. देखो छोटे छोटे कितने कैलकुलेशंस हैं. लर्न दीस ट्रिक्स. हियर व्हाट इज द ग्रोथ? द ग्रोथ इज 300. इसको डिवाइड बाय 8 करेंगे, इसका डिवाइड बाय 8 क्या होगा? 400 प्लस होगा. दिस कैन बी काउंटेड. इसको डिवाइड बाय 8 करेंगे तो 500 के आसपास आएगा. और ऊपर कितना इंक्रीज है? 1000, तो ये काउंट होगा. अब ये तो डिक्रीज है, फॉरगेट दिस. इसको डिवाइड बाय 8 करेंगे तो 600 इज 4800, तो 630 के आसपास आएगा. ऊपर 1000 है, ये काउंट होगा. इसमें कितना इंक्रीज है? 300 के आसपास. इसको डिवाइड बाय 8 करेंगे तो कितना जाएगा? 700. ये काउंट नहीं हो सकता. तो हाउ मेनी टिक्स आर देयर? 2 टिक्स आर देयर. व्हाट इज द टोटल वैल्यू? 1 and 2. 3 and 2, 5, 5 and 3, 8, 8 and 7, 15. There are 15 such cases where there is a high intensity node. In which of the fiscal years did the combined market share of the top two highest cargo handling hubs account for lowest percentage of cargo handled across 5 hubs? Okay. पहले तो आप ध्यान दो, यू हैव 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, 6 कॉलम्स. हमें 4 चाहिए, तो वी नीड दिस कॉलम. 20 to 23 वी नीड दिस कॉलम. 23 24 वी नीड दिस कॉलम एंड दिस कॉलम. मतलब इसके बाद वाले ये मैटर नहीं करते और पहले वाले मैटर नहीं करते. व्हाट आई नीड टू डू इज आई नीड टू सी विच आर द हाईएस्ट टू. देखो ये हाईएस्ट है और ये सेकंड हाईएस्ट है. इन दोनों का परसेंटेज आउट ऑफ टोटल आई विल कैलकुलेट. विच एवर हैज द लोएस्ट परसेंटेज इज माई आंसर. तो व्हाट आई विल डू इज आई विल एड द हाईएस्ट 6210 प्लस 4950, that is 11160 divided by, अब मुझे टोटल चाहिए. I can keep on adding these numbers. Plus 4640 plus 2415 plus 4180. टोटल वैल्यू इज 22395. इसको इंटू 100 कर देना हमने. 11160 डिवाइडेड बाय 22395 into 100. This turns out to be 49.83%. Leave it there. 49.83 is answer option A. हमें स्मॉलेस्ट निकालना है बेटा. What is the largest value? Largest value ये है. Second largest value ये है. Add these numbers. 6520 plus 5940. That is option B we are calculating. 12460 divided by 4800. 3260. 5225. The total addition of this entire column is 25745 into 100. So this is precisely 48.39. These are very close values. हमें smallest चाहिए ना. A option is gone. ये छोटा है. Let us check C. Highest is this. Second highest is this. 7498 plus 5643 is 13141 divided by. I will add this number now. 5184. I will add this number now. 4238. 4238. I will add this number now. 5016. Value is 27579 into 100. So we have 13141 divided by 27579 into 100. That is 47.64%. हमें मिनिमम चाहिए. Option A and B cancel हो चुके हैं. Last one, let us go with the last value D. Highest is this and second highest is this. 7200 plus 6600. I could have done this verbally. You could have done this verbally. Is 13800 divided by 6120 5297 6019. That is 31236 into 100. That is 44%. This turns out to be 44.1718%, 179%. The smallest value is answer option D. That's our answer. Net absolute volatility is defined as absolute difference between hub's maximum consecutive year increase and its maximum consecutive decrease over the given period. Which logistic hub exhibited highest net absolute volatility? ठीक है. Which option is missing? Meridian is option is missing. Don't even look at this. What I want is, see, there's an increase of 800. There's an increase of 300. There's an increase of 900. There's a decrease here. There's an increase of 1180. So for Vanguard, maximum increase for Vanguard, maximum increase is 1080. That is the maximum increase. And there's only one decrease. What is the decrease? 298. The difference between these two is called volatility. Listen to this. The net absolute volatility is defined as the absolute difference between maximum consecutive year increase. This is maximum consecutive year increase, 1080. And maximum consecutive year decrease. This is only decrease. This is maximum decrease. This is the maximum decrease, 298 values. Difference between both is called volatility. So 8 minus 0, 0 minus 8 is 2. 17 minus 9, 8. 9 minus 2, 7. So 782 is the volatility of Vanguard. I am looking for highest volatility. Next option is Aerolink. There is an increase of 450. There's an increase of 990. there's a decrease actually here. There's an increase of 1000 से कम है, 1000 से 43 कम है. 1000 minus 43 is 957, तो दिस इज लार्जर. और यहाँ पे कितना इंक्रीज है? 990. सो Vanguard maximum increase is Aerolink maximum increase 990. Aerolink. Now what is the decrease? There is only one decrease. ये decrease है अपने पास. That becomes 7. This becomes 9. 58 minus this. This is 2. तो ये 700 से भी काफी पीछे चला गया. ये 600 की रेंज में आ गया. 693. तो मुझे हाईएस्ट चाहिए, तो एरोलिंक इज गॉन. होराइजन की बात करें तो होराइजन में आई कैन सी बहुत बड़ा इंक्रीज है यहाँ पे. कितना इंक्रीज है? 1 माइनस 7 इज 4. ये 14 हो गया. दिस इज 9, तो ये हो गया 5. दिस इज 70 एंड दिस इज 52. दिस इज द ग्रोथ. दिस इज द ग्रोथ. एंड इज देयर डिक्रीज हियर? डिक्रीज कहीं है ही नहीं. तो इसकी वोलेटिलिटी है 1854. ये भी कैंसिल हो गया. होराइजन की है 1854. यहाँ पर कहीं पर 1800 का इंक्रीज है क्या? नो. तो कभी नेक्सस मैच कर पाएगा? नो. द आंसर इज होराइजन. दिस वाज कैलकुलेशन इंटेंसिव DI. I hope you learned and enjoyed a few tricks in this session.